It brightened it up.
We'll spray it again Saturday.
Not bad.
No. You always got to have a few touch-ups, Willie. You always got to have a few touch-ups. You can't be perfect first time. Otherwise, they'll keep hiring you. But yeah, paint them bright white. I mean, and then do some accents like what we're doing, something. I mean, it makes a big difference. We couldn't do that in vinyl stickers because people would peel it off. That's going to be the top 2 stripes. I got tape over there. Just a nice little detail. Got Willie helping us, sort of. Trying. You see the stripes over there. There'll be the baseboard, which will be black. And then one stripe will be gray, a dark gray, and one will be black. You have white in between. Won't be perfect, but it'll look pretty damn good. It just breaks up that wall. You know, gives a little bit of a detail. And since you have small banded stripes and they're horizontal, it's going to make the room look bigger. Vertical stripes will make it look taller. Horizontal stripes will make it look basically fatter or bigger. Just with the color change, this already looks better. So we still got to redo the floors. We'll actually buff them, patch up where it's been dented. These have been down for about 10 years. After about 10 years, see the doors we painted. After about 10 years, you really got to go through and do stuff. I mean, it just gets tore up, doesn't it? Doesn't it, Willie?
Yep.
Yeah, Willie knows. You know, you know. So, yes, we're going to paint in between the stripes, Willie. And all we're doing is just in spots. We know our numbers. 33, 31. Yeah. All the block walls will. You know, we're not overthinking this at all, because literally in a few years we'll be repainting this place. Right, Willie? Yeah, that's how it works here at the laundromat. But it's just collecting quarters. That's all you do. Just collect quarters. You get a real close-up shot of me. I'm trying to line it to my other stripe. Willie's already gotten started. Kind of gives a little bit of a detail, you see? I mean, even with the painter's tape, you can kind of get an idea. Just having those lines there just breaks that up. Now those, when we took the paneling off, there was old outlet boxes. These all need to be blocked out. And I'm going to do that yet. A few of these holes we may patch. I mean, they're anchor points from, you know, everything that's been here, but I want the colors that would match the machines. So you got black, white, and gray theme going on here. These are things you don't think about when you bolt everything down. I'm gonna really do this up right. Like I said, every couple of years, you just got to go through and really fix it up for you. Oh, come on.
I don't know. I don't want to.
You don't want to be famous?
No.
I'm not famous at all, Willie.
I'm already famous.
Oh yeah, for what? With the ladies?
Yeah, the ones on the walkers. Y'all know. $1.50.
That's a whole nother story there, isn't it? You gave her the money.
No, I ain't gonna give you $10. I'm not gonna give you that. Man, she made me so mad.
Telling you, Willie, we're gonna get you a mic.
It was just dropping me off. She said, "Let me get $10." Vacuum clean and stuff. I think it's pretty cool. There's no wrong with making you get money, man.
I just don't think he has anything better to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go home.
They'll say he lives with a bunch of people and he has no, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have your space.
Yeah, that's probably why he
like if he's crashing, I think he crashes other people's places. That's what it is.
He told me people paying for a room every night. They got kind of expensive. Paying for a room every night.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean.
He used to sit down in the alley with somebody or something like that. And they saying probably they'll give them a nice space. You stay with people so long, they'll start looking at you funny and playing around all the time.
Well, I think he, who knows?
Someone broke my sister's house. She moved, man. She ain't going back. She's not going back to that house.
Where's that?
can't too much blame. Down on the South End over there on Matthews.
Oh.
She went to spend time with her friend girl and came back and took all that stuff out of the house. Took everything. He took her food, so.
Nice. Here we go. Oh.
Okay, yeah, I put 75 now. I'm gonna take it and put it in another.
Hang on. See anything?
Thank you.
Is that it?
Yeah, only put like.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, I just got jammed up. I used that
I know it looks bright in this stuff.
spray can stuff. I used rattle can stuff.
I know it looked different. I didn't know. I didn't know what happened there.
We're gonna do a big reveal here and show what it looks.
Yeah, I have to see that. Looks better.
Yep. I mean, that's, you don't want to. Do 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 do. You just scratch the paint. I'm just kidding. I think it looks good.
You do.
Well, it's just nice not having it like, I don't know. Yeah, I'll pull it. It's nice not having white all the way right to the floor. And there's no way to put baseboard in here.
That one lady, I bet you that one lady here, she's gonna say something. She's gonna definitely say something.
Oh, the one we saw the other day.
The one that's in here, she's in there all the time. I don't know how she get up there and go that fast.
She might as well have a house over here, you know?
She's here almost every time I
Every 2 days.
Yeah, weekend she's here Saturday and Sunday. She comes on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, it's crazy. There we go. We got the bathroom all painted, nice and pretty. Actually, we got to coat it again. Nice thing about that metal, you can paint it, clean it all, paint it. Doesn't look as bad as it used to. Show you the back of the door. We don't have the poetry anymore. It's all gone. We'll probably get another coat yet. But it makes it look bigger. Now we just got to work on the floor and get the island finished. We got to pull tape off. That's the pop machine. I don't know why it makes so much noise. There we go. Yeah, got this all. Put that can away. This is what it looks like over here. Not too bad. Take the blue tape off the border tomorrow, I guess. What do you think, Willie? All right.
Good.
Got Willie's approval, so that's all that matters at this point.
You need to fix this right here, kid. That's all. This really might need to
Yeah,
fix right here.
got a light out. I got to get 2 more lights. Yeah, we're going to do the floor next.
That's this one, right?
That's what happens when you use the wrong patching material with epoxy. It'll pull it right up. But since we're getting 2 new machines here and moving those, I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, we'll grind that down and redo the floor. When we had to put new power, we had to put new sewer, or no, we had to put new drain lines in, so we had to rip it up anyway, so, for the islands. All right, Willie.
Right on, good YouTube fans.
Well, well, it's time for me to go home. I've been at this too long. Still got more to go. Hopefully come Saturday, I'll have it all done. So like I said, this makes a big difference. Paint them bright white. But if you ever watch Danny D'Angelo, he's a big fan of make them bright, make them clinical almost. I do mix it up with some of the metal, and it does have to get coated. I mean, you can see here, it gets dirty. I mean, it's not perfect. Nothing you put in your laundromat is going to be permanent. You're going to have to fix it, paint it, clean it, something. Right, Willie?
Yep.
Willie was here for the other 2 times we painted, so this won't be the last time. But just look at this. I mean, you can see that. Look how much better that black baseboard paint, or the paint at the baseboard of the wall, ties in. I mean, it makes it look bigger too. And you don't see that dirt right up against that white. I mean, that's huge right there. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you had fun watching us try to paint. Till next time, take it easy.